guys hearing something? Check the bathroom?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh! Here we go!
You want mate?
There it is.
This station is participating in a test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test. This station is participating in a test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies.
We've seen that with clerks as well. Not having enough clerks to man the windows, facilities closing for for lunch, and it creates a problem not just on the delivery end, but on the retail side as well.
Okay, so let's take it up here in just a minute. Talking to Matt Julian, who's the union representative for the National Association of Letter Carriers here in Chicago. Not the first time we talked about what's working right and wrong with the postal service. Remember the conversation before Christmas. Tell me about these jobs. In a minute.
This station is participating in a test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test.
This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test.
This program originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in St. Louis, Missouri, and serves parts of central Illinois. Rest of today, mostly sunny. Saturday, mostly cloudy. Showers likely in the morning, then showers likely and chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. High in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 60%. Saturday night, showers and chance of thunderstorms. Low in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 80%. Sunday, showers likely and slight chance of thunderstorms. High in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 60%. Sunday night and Monday, partly cloudy. A 30% chance of showers. Low in the upper 40s. High in the mid 60s. During hazardous weather and emergency situations, this tones which were just broadcast will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of emergency situations. Broadcast will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of impending hazards. This test is normally conducted. Special receivers. The test may be canceled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert tones will only be activated for the following counties in the KX970 listening area. Thursday was tone activated. The alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you. Light wind. Thursday, showers likely in the morning, then showers likely and chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. High in the mid-60s. Temperature falling into the 50s in the afternoon.
Successful activation on 4 channels. I like it. Hello?
Temporarily off the air. To an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather. No weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This no weather radio station is temporarily off the air.
What?
The current time is 11:04 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Lincoln.
Here is the regional forecast. After a few morning clouds, mostly sunny skies will prevail across central Illinois today.
Lincoln.
Temperatures in the middle of central Illinois were sunny with a temperature of 59. Weather radio all hazards. Station KXI 40.
Lincoln, you had one job. You had one job, Lincoln. What the piss?
This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm system. The attention signals you just heard.
You reset the fucking test!
To warn of the impending.
Lincoln!
This test is conducted each Wednesday.
You reset it!
1 p.m. But may be postponed if there is a threat of severe weather. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast in the warning alarm feature will normally vary with distance from the transmitter. This may occur even if you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. We now return to regular programming.
Chicago was mostly sunny in 57. Indianapolis and the relative humidity was 6. St. Louis was...
You resetted the fucking test! Lincoln, what the fuck?